Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making Butterfinger cheesecake brownies. You're going to love this fudgy and delicious Butterfinger cheesecake brownie recipe that comes together in just minutes with a rich chocolate flavor and of course that Butterfinger cheesecake filling that takes this brownie right to the top. I'll be sure to throw a link to the recipe down below in the description and stay tuned at the end of the video for more information about the KitchenAid stand mixer giveaway. And if you're new in my kitchen, don't forget to click subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on every time I post a new video. Now with that out of the way, let's go ahead, preheat your oven to 350 degrees and get started on pretty much the best brownies you are ever gonna have. Now to get started on our delicious brownie batter, we wanna go ahead, grab a large bowl, and to that we're gonna go ahead and add in our melted butter, our eggs, our vanilla extract, and our coffee. And we're going to begin to mix together well on a medium speed with our hand mixer for about 2.5 minutes. And if you want even more of a fudgier brownie, you can always add in an extra yolk for even more creaminess. Once you have all those ingredients mixed together, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna follow that up by adding in our white granulated sugar and our brown sugar. And then back in with our hand mixer and blend together well for an additional minute and a half. Once those sugars are nice and blended into your mixture, we can go ahead, still working in that same one bowl, and we're going to begin to sift in our flour, our cocoa powder, and our salt. And for a friendly brownie tip, you always want to make sure to measure your flour correctly. Adding too much flour to your brownies will take away from that nice fudge-like texture. I find the best and easiest way to measure my flour is by using my kitchen scale. If you don't have one though, then fluff up your flour with a spoon, sprinkle it into a measuring cup, and use a knife to level it off. Once all your dry ingredients are sifted into your bowl, you want to go ahead back in with your hand mixer and begin to mix on a nice low speed until your brownie batter is just combined. And after a couple of quick, easy steps, we have delicious brownie batter. All that's left to do is to pour this into our prepared pan. Now we're gonna take unwrapped, fun-sized Butterfingers, and we're gonna just lay these on top of our brownie batter. Once that yummy batter is in your brownie pan, go ahead, scoot that to the side. Grab yourself another bowl or your stand mixer because we're going to begin on our cheesecake topping. So first up in that bowl, we're going to go ahead and add in our cream cheese and our white granulated sugar. Then on a high speed, we're going to go ahead and we're going to begin to whip our cream cheese and our white granulated sugar together until smooth for about a good 5 minutes. And remember, when blending your cream cheese in dessert recipes, make sure your cream cheese and your sugars are completely blended, free of lumps, and smooth before adding any other ingredients. And of course, if your cream cheese is too cold, it will not blend easily. So save yourself that hassle and definitely make sure it is room temperature, so you want it just nice and soft. All right, so we have our cream cheese and our sugars fully combined and smooth. Now it's time to add in our eggs and continue to beat for an additional minute. And then just top off with our vanilla extract and let that blend in for a couple of seconds. With our cheesecake layer nice and whipped, ready to go, we're gonna grab that brownie pan and we're gonna slowly pour our cheesecake layer on top of our brownie batter. Nice and slow, this way it lays right on top. Once that cheesecake layer is smoothed over, we want to go ahead, pop in the oven, and let bake for a good 40 to 45 minutes. You'll know your brownies are done when your cheesecake topping is firm, but has a nice slight jiggle to it. After they're done baking, like with any cheesecake here on the channel, you want to go ahead and let them cool completely in the oven before popping in the oven and letting set and firm up for a good 4 hours. I know the temptation to slice in and just enjoy all these brownies. It's real, it's a struggle, I know, but trust me, the patience will be worth it. All right, so our brownies have set, they firmed. It is time to decorate and bite in to one of these brownies because we waited long enough. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start by adding a nice drizzle of chocolate ganache on top of our cheesecake layer. Then we're gonna sprinkle a generous handful of crushed Butterfingers right on top. And to top it off, we're gonna give another drizzle of chocolate ganache before cutting into them and enjoying our brownies. After that last drizzle of chocolate ganache, you just slice right in. You get a good look at that rich, fudgy chocolate brownie layer, that creamy, smooth cheesecake layer, those crunchy, crushed Butterfinger layers. Honestly, a delicious, so good brownie recipe that will turn any brownie hater into a brownie lover. Trust me, you're gonna love these. Bake them, share them with your friends. They are so, so good. Dangerous too if you add some ice cream on top. Just a thought. Well, thank you all for stopping by. I had so much fun sharing my Butterfinger cheesecake brownie recipe. If you're a fan of Butterfinger or cheesecake or brownies, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Helps me out, lets me know what baking up recipes you all like, you enjoy, and you want to see more of. And after you give this video a like or a dislike, but they're brownies, they're cheesecake, they're Butterfingers, so why would you do that? Definitely be sure to subscribe and turn notifications so you don't miss out on any future tasty, yummy recipes I've got coming up in the future. Plus, I still got 20 KitchenAid sandwiches to give away. So if you haven't already, be sure to enter down below with the link Once you enter the giveaway, you'll have 20 chances to win and lots of ways to enter. Lastly, don't forget, if you make your own delicious, oh so good Butterfinger cheesecake brownies, definitely give a tag on Instagram. Let me see what you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, well, I've talked enough. I want some brownies, I want some coffee. I'm gonna enjoy the day. I hope you all get to do the same. And as always, I'll see you all in the next video very soon. Bye.